Having been in the disaster management field for over 30 years and having handled over 14,000 property losses, one of the biggest challenges we've always had is being able to prove a loss as to what was there before the incident occurred, before the hurricane, before the tornado, before the fire. And so what we're doing for many of our private client group is we're going in there and doing a complete 3D scan of their entire building, high resolution, being able to show what is the condition of that property prior to, say, a hurricane. And then going in right behind it and scanning that same building, putting it through our software program, clearly showing what wasn't there and what was there. So it makes it much easier, a lot less argumentative when all parties, the asset owner, the insurance company, the contractors, are able to see clearly, here it was before, here it is after. And then our forensic engineers can closely look at it as a team, a collective group, and collaboratively come with a repair solution to restore the property to its pre-loss condition.
We're here at one of our clients' properties today, performing a property condition report, collecting pre-storm data. We're using one of our many drones that we have in our arsenal to collect different types of data sets. We have video, photography, 3D models, and thermal imagery that we collect ahead of the storm so that when the storm does happen, we use our custom-made drones to come in, fly in the harsh conditions, and then collect another scan, which we then can use in our AI software that will then overlay and show us the differences.